1. What's up, guys? Good morning. We're at Cars and Coffee today here in Edinburgh, Texas, HEB Park, and it looks like it's going to be a really good turnout. We got a couple Corvettes, some exotics. They have the Autocross over there. We're going to go check it out. We're going to go ahead and just walk you around, see what's up. I see a GTR already. And oh, these are always beasts, man. We got a Lambo. Look at that. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, guys, but one day I'm gonna own one of these. Swatch, one day. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna own it. Alright, guys, I'm gonna be next to them. Maybe in about a month, we'll be back too.
I was looking for a friend, but
Got Hector's ride. This is our taxi for today. Got Memo, the EcoBoost. Okay, so I know Dodge or Chargers have a thing with LEDs, but now these are nice. I have never seen this. Look at this. Now that's badass. Got a couple other Mopars over here. It's pretty cool, guys. We usually never have these types of events. We're always just regular car hangouts, car shows like that, but the whole autocross thing is awesome. We never get stuff like that down here in the valley in South Texas, so it's a good start, man. Hopefully we can start something down here because it's badass. You know, you can't have a car show without a little truck. That is badass. Now we got the goodies, guys. That idle though, man. That's why you go to school, guys. Dr. Joe. Dang, man. Crazy stuff. Alright. It's the first time y'all meet baby Gabriel. I told you guys we were having a baby, but here he is. He's 5 months old and it's his first car meet.
He's a little scared.
And look, I think this should be our next family vehicle. I'm just saying. Kia Stinger. I wouldn't mind the Kia Stinger as a family vehicle. What do you say?
You like try to force it, but
What do you mean try to force it?
yeah, like always in San Antonio, you always try to force it.
1,000 likes, guys, and I boot her off and we get the Kia Stinger. We'll just do away with her.
It's kind of hard. Can I go to...
Girl, 10 likes and I get to buy a Lambo.
Yeah, 10 likes.
Yeah, 10 likes on this video and I get to buy a Lambo.
Like the GTR, the Gurch.
Get her. The Nissan Get her. Guys.
Stop.
Oh my.
Godzilla's coming up, so we'll see.
Godzilla, man.
Alright, go ahead. Ready? Oh, we still have SD. Ready?
I get chills, man. Not gonna lie, I get chills. How would you guys feel if I skip getting the 5.0 and I go for GTR? I don't know, just saying. How would you guys feel about that? I wouldn't mind. I would not mind at all. Oh, he stalled. He stalled. Round 2, guys. Woo. He's flying, man. The handling of that car, man, is amazing. Love it. Guys, I bought new wheels for the Mustang already for my V6. I think I'm gonna miss the gold. Tell me I didn't mess up by not going gold with my Mustang, man. I ended up getting black wheels. I think I'm gonna miss those gold wheels, the bronze wheels. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. The weather's getting kind of rough. It's drizzling, it's fresh outside. We got the baby with us, so we're gonna have to take off. It was a good turnout, man. They had that whole Autocross over there. There was a lot of beast cars out here to come to play. Look at this. Hopefully in 2 to 3 weeks, guys, God willing, we'll have the car ready. I was talking with some guys. They talked me into bagging it. I was still on the edge about it, but they convinced me. It looks like we're gonna bag it soon, guys. So just stay tuned for that. Still need a few more things to get fixed with the car, but I really want it, man. I miss it, being in the car scene. It's been a while. But I hope you guys did enjoy the video, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.